welcome back to our channel Python Learners, and today we are back again with another programming video. Today we are going to create an automatic email sender using Python. So friends, we will be using modules like Panda. It's not Panda, it's Pandas. So Pandas, datetime, and SMTP. So you can see there are three modules. So why I am using these modules, I will be telling you. So before that, I would be like to show you this Excel sheet. So now some of you might have guessed it why I am using pandas. So I am using pandas so that I could read this Excel file. Date time to compare the date on which I need to send the email. And third, SMTP to send the email. So now I think that's all clear. So what I will be doing is, so let's say a birthday card, I need to send a birthday wish to one of my friends. So say I have 5 friends, okay, person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and their birth dates are on 14th of December, 14th December, 12th November, 10th January, and 23rd December. So now as such, I know that I could send the email, but I want that the email should be sent at midnight, at exact 12 o'clock. So as such, I couldn't send it at that time. So I could use my module, this program to automatically send it. So I have created six columns: serial number, name, birth date, and the birth date is in the format of day, comma, month. Okay. Then comes the comment and what I want. So like say I want to send the my friend the message. Congratulations for your birthday. I wish you a very happy birthday. Okay. And regards, right? So I want to send this message. So now this message would be sent in the message section of the email. Then comes the ESN. So now I don't want the email should be sent regularly. Regularly, I mean that more than one email should be sent on the same day to the person. Not only one email should be sent to the person. So here I have used ESN. So like I have sent the email in 2019. Now I need to send that email in 2020, 2021, and 2020 like that. And then comes the email of the receiver. So here I have used my own email, and rest one are you can say fake one. So these are just for test. So let's start it. So now let's import the modules. So let's say import pandas, import date time, import and SMTP. So I have imported all the required modules. So now I'm going to use the Gmail here. So I will be using the Gmail. So it's Gmail ID. So Gmail ID is equals to input. And let's say enter your Gmail ID. Okay, and then comes the Gmail underscore PW. So PW is password. Say input, enter the password. So now I would be getting two inputs here. So friend, basically not every time I could use it, because every time I need to give the instructions here, right? So you can do one more thing. Instead of this input, you can write the email here from the email which you want to send. Like if I want to send the email from one of my like test@smtp.com, so I could use this here. If I want that some other email should be there, so I could enter that email. So now here, if I am using the Gmail one, friends, you can also use other mailboxes like Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, and rest. But the one Gmail is the easiest one, right? So for that, you can get the description, in the description box. You can get a port code for all the mailboxes you want. Okay, so there I have only added 6 to 7 the most used ones. If you want to know more, you can browse on the Google. So let's go for input here. So friends, now what I want is I need to send the email. So let's say we need to create a command, send email. Okay, so there, send email. Let's send email, and here should be the subject. No, not subject. I know I would be sending it from Gmail. So to the person, and the subject, and then the message. Okay. So now first I want that it should means open the Gmail for that. So let's say s equals to smtplib dot smtp. So I know smtp dot gmail.com, and the port code is 587. So now s dot start ttls. Now s dot login. So now it would be logging in through the Gmail ID and Gmail password. So it's Gmail ID, comma Gmail password. Right. So now it would be logging in, then s dot send mail. Now from, so it would be sending through Gmail. So Gmail ID. Now it would be sending to a person, let's say X. So in the starting I have done two. Message would be MSG. Wait, and not MSG. MSG equals to F subject. Now the subject was sub, right? So /n and then MSG message, and then s dot quit print email was successfully sent to this person. Email was successfully sent to this person with the subject server and wait /n no message msg. Yes, it's quite long message. I think it should be done. So the first part of the means program is done of sending the mail. So if you only want to send a mail, you can use only this part and only this much part instead of this. But now if I said that I would be creating an automatic email sender. So for that I need another part. So now I know that I have an Excel sheet here. I want that the program should read the sheet. What sheet means? I should say the worksheet, and get the data from it. So for that, I would be like say using the pandas one. Okay, so wait, if it is string, then it would be quite easy. Yes. So let's say if underscore name, let's say df is equals to pandas dot, so if df is equals to pandas dot read excel, and inside it the name of my file is data dot xlsx, right? And this is okay. So let's say today equals to date time. It's too long, so let's say as dt. Now it would be easy. dt dot date time dot today dot strf time, and it's percent d comma percent n. Okay, and here equals to dt dot date time. So now what is it? Let me explain you. So here what I've done is I have used pandas module to read the excel file, and this today variable, inside this today variable, the date time. Okay, so today's date time would be included, and it would be means converted in the form of percent d slash percent time. So percent d is for day and percent time is for month, and the same thing is here with percent y, that is for year. So today's year, like if I have created this video in the year 2021. Okay, so here the value of year will be 2021. If I would be creating this video in 2020 on any other day or date or any other year, it would change. So I don't need to worry. So now I have done this. Now what I want is it should compare the items there. So let's say write and d is equals to blank, or uh, wait, it should not be today, it should be now. Yes, it should be now. Okay. Now I think, okay, so for index comma item in df dot iter rows, iter rows, okay. Don't think there's any error. Now what I want is it should be checked like this. So say birthday is equals to, okay, so it's going to means like this. So let's do it a little quick. Okay, done. So now I don't think that there should be an error. Okay, okay, I did a mistake, I think so. It's not here now, it's here, and same goes here, here. Okay, and that's done, I think so. Okay, so it's not birthday. Goodness, I just did a mistake. Control C, Control V, whatever. Inside. Okay, now it should be good. Enough, nothing to change. Yes, and okay. Here, send, and same goes here, and here. Okay, so done. So now I think that it should go for it. I should just remove this unless I think it's needed. So let's run our email sender. Okay, so it would be asking for the Gmail ID and the Gmail password. Okay. It would have gone for it. And it is good here. Okay, the same. So DF pandas, nothing to change. Send email, Python, everything's good enough. Okay, it's a little.
Okay, so let's add our email ID here. And it's the password. So friends, you can also email me on this email ID if you have any doubts or any queries, or you want a personal 1v1 session. Okay, so it's done. But we can see that the email was sent. That means our program ran. This part was done, but it didn't print this print Excel sheet. And if we open the Excel sheet, okay, wait, this write-in isn't needed. Say the sheet didn't change because this write-in wasn't needed. Wait, I think if I resend it, then it should work. And this time it would send the mail and would update the Excel sheet. Okay, and number 13, permission denied. Okay, let me close it and run it again. I think because it was open, it might have denied the permission to edit. This time it shouldn't give any error as much I knew. So it sent an email and updated the Excel sheet. Okay, so now let's open our email and reload it. Okay, so it's wait. So it sent the mail at 14:29. That means it sent these two mails this time. Rest these are the previous ones. So let's delete them once and run the program again to know whether it is running nicely or not. So friends, here I am manually entering the data. So you can do one more thing. Let's do it. In the starting, instead of this input, we can give a blank entry. So Gmail underscore ID is equals to your email. So you need to enter your email. So here I am using my Python learner's email. And then Gmail password, and that is the password. So here goes the password. And now if I run it again, it should work properly, giving all the entries right. So Excel sheet, okay. It updated the Excel sheet, but why haven't it sent the mail? Okay, you can see, okay. So you can see here it have already added 2021 a lot of times, and if I think it have sent the email also. So if I refresh it, it hasn't. Okay, so as many times I ran the program, it have sent the email. So now let's remove it and give only 2019. And now if I rerun the program, it should send the mail automatically. Okay, I think, okay, I haven't saved it. And if I go this time, see, it sent the email here, updated the sheet, and then done. So let's check on our mail. So it have sent it, reload, and send two emails. You can see the emails. It's the first one and it's the second one. And if I open our Excel sheet here, so it has updated the Excel sheet as well. Okay. So friends, that's all. We have completed our program, but here we need to manually enter the data, or means every time we need to update it, we need to start the program. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to set a trigger to turn it on every time. Before that, you couldn't send the mail if you haven't turned on one setting in your Gmail, and that is less secure apps. So for that, you need to go on your Google account and in the security tab, scroll down and you will find it. The less secure app says I have turned it on. So that's why I could send it. If I turn it off, the email won't be sent because Google will restrict our program to send the email. So you just click on it and you can turn it on. So here it's turned on. It's your wish to turn it on or off. Next come how to set a trigger. So for that, task scheduler. So what we need to do is, so first click Windows R and then type task scht.msc and then click enter or OK. So this will open this task scheduler. Then go to task scheduler library. Now you can see there are a lot of tasks here. Just click here and create a task. So here already a lot of tasks are there. So click here, create task. So now a new window will be open. Let's say automatic email sender and scripts made using Python by Python. That's so this is our description. Now go on triggers and create a new trigger using the new option. Now go and let's say daily. So when you want to send it, let's say if I want to send it in evening, so 12 00 12 00 00. So every day on 12 o'clock, or you can say noon, this program will run, and then click OK. Now go on the actions tab. There create a new action. We need to start a program. So here you need to enter the location of our python.exe. Wait, what you can do is here and here copy this path and here enter it. Then here in the option copy this path under double quotes and done. Okay friends, that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next video. Till the time, go for
to change your